So for first grade, last time you guys did a little treasure hunt project where you had to go around the house and find items that were as long in length as those little units of measure that I had mapped out for you guys. This time we're going to draw a tree, a flower, and some grass, but you got to try and figure out the scale. So how much bigger a tree is compared to a flower, how much bigger a flower is compared to the grass. So you guys should go outside and you should compare a tree to a flower. See how much bigger a tree is to a flower. Should compare grass to a flower. See how much bigger a flower is compared to grass. So I'm going to use a pencil for this one. And you don't have to draw your trees, your flowers, and your grass exactly like what I have out here, if you don't want to. So if I go outside and I look out and see a tree, and draw the tree, the tree's pretty big. It's like a Christmas tree, pine tree. And if I see a flower next to the tree, flower is pretty small. Is it half the size of the tree? Is it going to be right here? No, it's a pretty big flower. Is it going to be about a quarter the size? No, that's still a really big flower. What about like an eighth the size? Yeah, that's probably how small it's going to be. Maybe even smaller, but I'm going to do it about an eighth the size. So half is right here. Quarter is right about here. An eighth is right about here. So I'm going to draw a little flower. You can do your flower any way you want. So tree, flower. Now grass. If I go outside and I look at grass and I compare their height, grass is pretty far down here. Grass can grow pretty long though. It could be as tall as this flower, but a lot of people keep their grass in their front yard trimmed. So it's probably going to be maybe half the height of this flower. Let's do that. So for grass, I'm going to kind of copy what I have here on this instructional worksheet. Do some grass. If I want, draw some more. Tree, flower, grass. That's it. Thanks, guys.